Kia ora everyone. Just first up, sending our thoughts and our prayers to whānau who've lost loved ones in recent days. A number of our whānau throughout Maniapoto have lost family members, and our thoughts and our prayers are with all of those whānau at this time. Just a quick update from the Trust Board in terms of where things are at as we move from level 4 to level 3. The Trust Board will continue to be closed. Our staff have moved out of business as usual work and are still supporting the support network to our whānau across the rohe. If you need any support, please make sure that you contact the call centre. The contact details are available through the Maniapoto Māori Trust Board Facebook page. As we move into the long weekend for Anzac weekend, please do keep yourselves safe, look after each other, and just a particular concern around whānau safety at this time. Just want to send a message out to all the partners out there to make sure that you're looking after each other, look after your children, and keep yourselves safe. Nō reira, tēnei rā te mihi atu ki a koutou, i tēnei te rā maumahara ki o tātou hoia, kia tau i honga mana ki tanga.